TikTok. Finally, I am live. Welcome to the first show, which I don't know that it actually saves here, but I thought my first show while I'm creating some content for my new course, which has a lot of free webinars in there, is to actually have a chat to you guys on TikTok and do my first live. So today's topic is Ask Me Anything, and I'm a little bit crooked there. There we go. Ask me anything about social media. Let me know what's the problems you're having, what do you need to know, and I'll do my best to actually get that happening for you. So whilst we're just cruising around, I'm going to show you, can I show you from here? Let me see if I can show you. I'm just going to turn you around. There's my trusty bot. I'm going to flip that. And you can't see. Anyway, I'll just take you out for a minute. So what I'm actually doing now, so this is a little bit of a hack for those of you who would like to actually create a course. This here is my course. I'm just going to open up the school to show you. I'm actually using Coach Zippy. I found before using Coach Zippy, I was actually using Teachable and Thinkific, and both are really, really good. However, I found this really cool platform called Coach Zippy, and you pay for it once and it's absolutely amazing. So this is just the outline of the courses that I've been creating. But this morning I've been working on free courses. So these are webinars that I've done over the past 6 months, and I'm just uploading them into the actual platform. What else I'm doing though is really cool. I'm repurposing it to my YouTube channel. So if I pop over to my YouTube channel, let's go to channel videos. And let's go to channel. Sorry, I hope you don't get too sick going backwards and forwards here. Popping over to my YouTube channel, you can actually see, that's when I won the award last year. So I'm repurposing the content here as well. So what that means, let me just, wait, where have I gone? What that actually means is that I'm repurposing the content to the course. I'm giving it away for free, and I'm also repurposing the same content to YouTube. So I'm having a double whammy. And then from YouTube, I actually post that to LinkedIn and Twitter and Pinterest, which is really cool. So that's all I wanted to do today. And I'm going to repurpose this to TikTok as well. Have a great day. Ask me anything in the comment section if you've got any questions about social media. Ciao for now. Oh, so I was just about to end, and TikTok says to me, viewers are on their way. Do I really want to live stream finish now? Yeah, I've got work to do. Sorry guys, bye.